Okay, I don't know how far everybody is, but you should have a decent feel for what's going on. But if you don't feel comfortable with it, let me know. No, I think if you feel like you got the hang of it, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Thumbs up. They had this software that's it's not here anymore. It's called Illuminate. I think Blackboard bought it. But what was really nice when we had snow days, I used to use it so that nobody had to come to Montclair. We just work from our own. And they had this thing where there was a thumbs up or thumbs down. So when I explained something, I could wait for the thumbs up to come out. It's all anonymous. Only I see the thumbs up. And students were much more engaged and like watching and making sure they understood and doing the thumbs up because no one else was watching them. It was really a nice tool. Ready for Valence? I don't know how much I'm going to use this, but I wanted to give you the definition. Valence is actually what we call the degree of a vertex. I think probably what I'm going to do next week is give you the rudiments of graph theory, where we talk about vertices and edges. So if you had any class in the past that talked about the bridges of Königsberg, which is a famous problem that was solved by Euler, one of Euler's big entries into graph theory, and they define the degree of a vertex. So the bridges of Königsberg problem is about nodes with things coming out of it called edges. The number of things coming out of a node is called the degree of that vertex. In this particular game, this is another irritating thing for me. And in game theory, at least in this, it seems like they have their own definition. So they say the balance of any coin in strings and coins is the number of strings attached to it. Well, that's the degree of that vertex. It's the same thing. So what I'd like you to do, now you have a bunch of pictures on your page, I'd like you to go through what you've already done and fill in the valence on each coin in your previous problem like I did below. So here, there's 2 strings coming out of this coin, so the valence would be 2. So you can go and count the number of strings. I just want you to know what it is because I have a feeling we're going to use this more. Degrees of vertices are really, really important.
So just on like one of the charts, not all the charts? Or
I think you can just choose one of the charts. One of the later charts though, so that there's a variety. Let me ask John before I forget. Number 1, do you have winning ways?